Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is going to be the first episode of the season 3 of RV cooking. Today, we're at Cape Blanco State Park in Port Orchard, Oregon. So tonight's dinner, I'm going to use the slow cooker, and we're going to have Italian chicken in the slow cooker. So it's very simple to put together, and you can put in vegetables if you like. Tonight I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put potatoes and chicken in and let it roll while we're out and about exploring this area. So come a little closer and we'll get this party started. First, I'm going to take some oil, any oil of your choice. We're going to put that in there. And then I have 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You could use breast if you like and just chop them up the way you prefer. Probably 3 good ones. Big size chicken breast probably work, but I have 6 chicken thighs. Everybody in the pool? I also have 6 yellow potatoes, or Yukon Gold you can use, and I left the skins on. They all go in the pot. A little salt, some pepper, and I'm going to put some parsley in, and this is how we travel with our spices. Isn't that cute? And about a good teaspoon and a half. And I'm using the Olive Garden Italian seasoning, which is really, really good. And we'll probably use about half the bottle, if not the whole thing. Okay. And we'll just pour this all over. And I'm going to stir it up. Let me grab a spoon. And mix this all in. Get everything nice and coated. And I have this on low, and we're going to cook this all day. Now you can cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours until the potatoes are done, okay? But I prefer it slow to where it doesn't dry it out. Now I'm just add a splash more to the yummy goodness. And that's that, guys. I'm going to let this roll. And we'll plate it up when it's done. Okay, guys, dinner is ready. It looks really, really good. Now, you can thicken up the juices to make it more of a gravy, thicker gravy. Like I said earlier, you could add vegetables in it. It is nice and tender. It smells delicious. And using the Olive Garden Italian dressing, it has like a lemony taste to it. It's really good. It's like fresh. It's like spring, but it's comfort food while you're camping. Anyway, guys, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. What do you guys are having? Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Love you guys.